Greetings traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Thursday, October 29th, 2009, and the markets are up big today. The S&P up 2.25%, the Nasdaq up 1.84%, the Dow up 2.05%, the Russells up 2.45%. Finally, the bank, or the financials, are up big. This is the XLF, which is the financial spider, up 4%. The Russell's financials are also up big, almost 4%. So the financials is leading the way. The Nasdaq showing a little bit of relative weakness, but nothing too significant. In general, a strong up day today. We also saw some strength at the close, with some increase in volume and a nice little pop up. Now after hours we're seeing some interesting action. Just have to see how that plays out. Let's look at the market internals. The tick stayed bullish all day, with some spikes below into bearish territory, which is a very healthy internal reading for the bullish move we saw today. The Trin also stayed bullish all day, under 0.8, and it never really got too extreme in that it stayed above 0.5 as well. So that was a healthy Trin reading. And the VIX bled out big time today, well over 11% drop in the VIX, meaning fear is leaving the markets, and that confirms the move to the upside. Let's look at a higher time frame on some of these indexes here. This is the SPY. As you can see, we still have this rising wedge formation. Yesterday we broke down out of the rising wedge, and today we closed right under it. So by today's close, we are at resistance in terms of that rising wedge. Let's look at that a little closer. Actually, it looks like we might have just closed right above it, so that's very bullish. Volume was normal today, so that's a little less significant. We'll see if we can stay above this lower trend line that makes the rising wedge tomorrow. If we can get continuation to the upside, I could see us running. Well, we have a lot of resistance coming up actually. Right now it's a tough call, which is why I'm actually neutral in my trading accounts right now. I have no major positions. Yesterday I traded short and got out after hours, and then today I traded long and got out a little early in the morning, I'll admit. Let's actually look at my trade that I made. It's in TNA, which is the small cap 3 times ETF. I got in this morning at 38.27 and wrote it up, but then around 10:30 I wanted to walk away so I could study for a test, so I put on a trailing stop, which was admittedly too tight because at a 60-cent trailing stop after this spike up right here, we came down and I got stopped out at 38.75, which it's a bummer to see my position get stopped out and then know that I could have caught an extra point, but it happens. I still made a small profit, so I'm happy, and I'll just have to reevaluate and hopefully not have anything like a test holding me back from trading in the future. Otherwise, I am, like I said, going into tomorrow neutral. I'm just pulling up the economic calendar here. Give me 1 second. Tomorrow we do have consumer sentiment coming out, as well as personal income and outlays. Those are going to be important numbers. Also watch the Chicago PMI and the employee cost index. Not as significant, but might move something. That's it for now. Thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.